today. I hope you guys are feeling well because today I'm going to tell you a story about my childhood foolish experience. But before I tell you my story, I would like to introduce you to myself. My name is Chrystine Livin Barlin. You can call me Livy for short. I am from Bhaktyarsa Elementary School, Maumere. I'm at 6th grade. Now let's begin with my story. When I was 6, I have a toy motorcycle that I can ride. It was my most favorite toy because I play with it a lot. It has red and green colors. It also has a trunk. In the trunk, I can put many things there, like candies, mini dolls, crayons, and so many more. One day, when I was playing in the living room, I saw something on the sofa. I thought it was a toy. So, I took it and I put it in my motorcycle trunk. I got bored in the living room, so I asked my brother's help to bring my motorcycle to the backyard. Brother, can you help me bring my motorcycle to the backyard? Of course, little sister. Then I go to the backyard. Yay! I can't wait! I want to play in the backyard. I don't know what to play. Maybe hide and seek. Or I have an idea. Do you want to know what it is? It is to wash my motorcycle, of course. But actually, it was just an excuse. I just want to play with water. So, I washed my motorcycle without taking the things out of the trunk. Oh la la. Then I'm done washing my motorcycle. But before I left, I filled water inside the trunk. Then I left and I played inside the house. That was fun. Maybe I should play it next week. The next day, my mom was busy looking for something. Where is my phone? I can't find it anywhere inside the house. So I wanted to help my mom. Mom, what are you looking for? I was just looking for my phone, honey. What is the phone, Mom? Then she brought me to another room and showed me a phone. This is the phone, honey. Oh, I know where your phone is. Then I go to the backyard again. I think I put your phone somewhere. I played with it yesterday. Then I take the phone out of the trunk. Then show it to my mom, of course. There you go, Mom. Your phone. What? Why? Rather than happy, she looked shocked. Thankfully, she wasn't mad at me, but she taught me the right thing. Honey, next time if it wasn't your stuff, you should not take it. I understood. Okay, Mommy, I won't do it next time. That was my story. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you for watching.